Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the basic of core Java, the foundation of Java programming. Whether you want to completely begin from the starting or brush up your skills, this is a perfect place for it. So let us start. So what we are going to learn in this particular video. First we are going to see the introduction, then we are going to see the architecture of Java. Then we are going to see which are the software that is required for the Java programming. Then we are going to see what is Java compiler. Then we are going to see why Java is platform independent. So these are the things that we are going to see it in the video. Coming to the introduction, I don't have any points over here, but I just want to tell it for you. So I have not marked any of the text here. So coming to Java. So what is Java? Java is a high level programming language which is used to provide the instruction to the computer. So instruction are written by the user in an English language. So that is why it is called as high level programming language. So whichever the programming language that written by the user. So user can write only in English. User know only English. That is why it is called as high level programming language. Okay. So high level programming languages are written in English and we are going to give this instruction to the computer. So how it is going to take the instruction, that is what we are going to see. Then coming to Java, Java was developed by James in 1995 when he was working in a company, Sun Microsystem. Then in 2008 and 2009, so Oracle took up Sun Micro System. So Java is now Oracle companies. Okay. So this is about the basic introduction about the Java programming language. Also, you can see why Java is called as high level programming language. Okay. So in basic Java programming, you are going to learn about object oriented programming concepts. We are going to study about data type, variable, operators, different control statements, classes, object, methods, array. So all these things we are going to study in Java in the coming videos. Coming to next point, it is architecture of Java. So what is architecture of Java? We are going to study. What is architecture? Architecture is how Java is designed. So how you are going to write the programming, how it is run, how it is compiled. So that is what Java architecture here. So here I have already displayed the image here. So what is this image we are going to see? Firstly, the high level programming language are written in a editor. So we are going to use edit plus plus software to write the Java code. So to write the Java high level programming. So high level programming is your English language we are going to use with Java syntax. Okay, that is why it is called as Java code. It is written in edit plus plus. Next, whatever the Java code is written, it is not understood by the computer. Why? Computer can understand only machine instructions. That we know. User can't understand machine instruction. Machine can't understand user instruction. So there is a communication gap here. This communication gap is filled by JDK, that is Java Development Toolkit. So what is this Java Development Toolkit? So inside Java Development Toolkit, you have Java compiler, you have JRE, that is Java Runtime Execution, that is your one of the environment. Then we have Java Virtual Machine. Okay, all these items are found inside the Java toolkit. So what are the functions of these individual component we are going to see? So in Java development toolkit, we have the compiler, we have the Java runtime environment, we have Java virtual machine. Okay, these are the three components that is found in Java development toolkit. So, what is this Java compiler does? Java compiler means converting from one language to another language. It becomes the converter where Java code is converted into bytecode with the help of Java toolkit. Okay, here you have Java, this Java compiler. Okay, so what is the work of compiler is to check the syntax error written by the user in high level programming language. What is checking of syntax error? Syntax error is each and every programming language has its own standard form to write a code. So we have to follow that particular standard. So whenever we miss something, whenever we miss out some syntax error, that error is given by compiler. So compiler is the one which identify the errors, syntax error in the Java code. If there is any error, it throw the error for the user. The user has to correct it, save it, again compile it. Again that will be repeated. Once the error-free program is written, then Java compiler is going to compile the Java code and convert that Java code into bytecode. Here, bytecode play a major role here. This bytecode is not understood by the user as well as the machine instruction. So next step is converting bytecode into machine instruction. So who does that job? It provides Java runtime environment provides you to it provides a field to convert the bytecode into machine code. Okay, so the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, is going to convert your bytecode into machine level instruction where system is going to understand the machine level instruction. So these bytecodes are converted into machine level instruction so that machine is going to understand your programming language. So this is how Java Virtual Machine will work. I hope you understood with this environment. Okay. So next coming with the next is same topic. I'm going to explain with Java file how it is converted. So what are the things that is going to happen? Firstly, the user is going to write the code. So that is your file name not file name dot Java. This file name dot Java will be checked by the Java compiler if there is any error. So if there is any error, that is syntax error, so it is going to give you the Java errors. The user has to identify what is the error, he has to correct it, save it, again run it. Once when the compiler checks that there is no error in your file, then Java compiler is going to give the bytecode. So this bytecode will be in the form of filename.class. So this is the bytecode that is generated by the compiler. Nextly, the Java runtime environment is going to give you an field to convert this bytecode into machine level instruction. So this bytecode has to be converted into machine level instruction that is done by Java Virtual Machine. Once when it converted into machine level instruction, the machine is going to understand the bytecode that is written in machine level instructions. So this machine level instruction will be taken by the system and it is going to run the whatever the code it is written. So this is how Java file is converted into Java file to bytecode into machine level instruction. I hope you understood how it is done. Next, coming to the installation. So here we are going to install two software. One is Edit++, one is JDK. So this Edit++, with the help of Edit++, we are going to write your Java code. With the help of JDK, we are going to run this Edit++ files. Okay. So how you are going to do it? Let us see. So let me open a browser for you. So here is the browser. I have to check for the Edit++. So here I have my Edit++. So here go a bit down. I have already downloaded the file. I'll just show you all to download it. Click on download here. Okay, here click on download edit plus plus 6.0 64-bit version. If you want to download other version, you can download it. So I have downloaded this 6.0 64-bit. Okay, so after downloading, you are going to get it in the downloads. So here I have my edit. So here this is my edit plus plus. So click on accept, then go to next. Then it will ask you for the whether you want to edit it, like whether you want to reinstall it. So here I have to give yes. So here I have opened the file. That is why it is giving that particular error. So I'll retry it. Then I then give copy file. Okay, so I am reinstalling it. That is why it is asking like this. It is hardly 2 MB. You can easily install. Then it is showing congratulations. It is successfully done. So next is your Java file. I have already downloaded. So let me show you all the Java file. So type JDK, click on enter. You'll get an Oracle. So here just click on the whichever the version you want to download it. Also, whichever the operating system you want to do it, you can go with it. If you have Linux, click on Linux, and here whichever the according to your system specification you can download. Here you have Mac, according to the Mac, whichever the specification you have, according to that you can download. Windows operating also, whichever the file you want to download according to your specification, you can do it. So here one more point I have to mention here is we have Linux operating system, we have Mac operating system, we have Windows operating system. So you have multiple operating system here. So Java supports multiple operating system. That is why it is called as platform independent. You write code in one particular uh, operating system, you can run it in any of the operating system like Mac or Linux. So that is why it is called as platform independent. I hope you understood the next concept. So coming to download, so you can download it. So I'll download the 64-bit. If I click on download, so I'll get this JDK file. Here you can see JDK file. I'll open this JDK file. Click on S. Then it start downloading. Nothing else is there. Okay, it is reinstalling it because it is already there in my system. So I'll just reinstall it for y'all. So it takes few seconds. So here you can see whatever the option it gives, click on next. Nothing else is there. Click on next for everything. I'll close the browser. For edit plus plus, you want to register for the cracked version. I have given the user ID and password for it in the description box. Please go through it and you just copy and paste that particular in the edit plus plus registration icon, so it will be registered. Okay, so I'll just pause here so that okay, it is done. I'll click on close. Okay, my Java is ready. So command prompt, so I'll get. So now how to check Java is installed in your system? So just go to start, click on command prompt, open it, type Java minus symbol version, click on enter, and here you can see Java version 17.0.12 is installed. So here you can see Java hotspot. Okay. So if you see this three statements in your command prompt, it is that Java is installed. I hope you cleared with the installation. Coming to the next topic, why Java is platform independent. So, Java, whenever you write a code in the Java, it might be any of the operating system with the help of edit plus plus. When you write it, you can run that particular file in Windows operating system, Mac operating system, or Linux operating system. So, you don't have to write again and again for the different operating system. If you have one file, you can run in the other platform also. So that is why it is called as platform independent. I hope you understood with the next concept why Java is platform independent. In the coming videos, we are going to see the next level of Java programming. So I'll start with the basic programs. I'll explain what is variable data types. Okay. I hope till now, whatever I have done, you have understood it. So if you have any doubt, feel free to leave a comment. I'm going to go through that comment and I'm going to answer it in the next videos. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please make sure you are going to share it with your friends. Hit a like. Make sure you are going to subscribe my channel so that you are going to get the update of the next videos. Thank you guys. Signing off.